If you've lost access to your Instagram account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to attempt recovery. This guide will help you regain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your device or visit the Instagram website. Click on Forgot Password on the login screen to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your username or email. Input your Instagram username or the email address associated with your account. This will help Instagram identify your account and send recovery options. Step 3. Choose Need More Help. After entering your username or email, select the Need More Help option. This will direct you to additional recovery methods that may not require verification codes. Step 4. Fill out the account recovery form. Complete the account recovery form with the required information. Be as detailed as possible, including any previous passwords, account creation date, and linked accounts to help verify your identity. Step 5. Wait for Instagram's response. Submit the form and wait for Instagram to review your request. They may contact you via email with further instructions or to verify your identity. Be patient, as this process can take some time. By following these steps, you can attempt to recover your Instagram account without needing verification codes. Good luck!